Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Xubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to Xubuntu official website and download. It is xubuntu.org. Hit enter. Then see here the latest release is 24.04. Okay. Then click on get Xubuntu or download. But before going to download, just click over mouse on this get Xubuntu, then click on system requirements. See here, these are the minimal system requirements and these are the recommended system resources. Minimum is we need Intel or AMD 64-bit processor and at least 1 GB of memory, and minimum 8.6 gigabytes of free space, and recommended are 2 GB memory and at least 20 GB of free space. Okay, so click on, then go back, then click on get to Xubuntu or download, both are same. So select download, then see here we have Xubuntu desktop 64-bit systems. Click on it. See, once we click on download started, go to download. See here it is torrent file. Click on it. See here I have already downloaded Xubuntu 24.04.3 desktop ISO image. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Then select the installer disk image file and click on browse. Then see here we have the downloaded ISO image. So select it and click on open, then click on next. Then provide the personalized Linux administration. Then click on next. Now we have to provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Xub 24.04.3 VM. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Then go to the path where you have the enough space. Click on next. Then provide the disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, by default memory selected 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU cores 2. If you want to modify any one of them, just you need to click on hardware. Don't select this power on this virtual machine, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or select it and click on edit virtual machine settings, or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you want to provide any description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, just click on power on this virtual machine. See, we got the Xubuntu desktop, but this is for temporary purpose. But if you want to install permanently, right click on this install Xubuntu 24.04.3 LTS. Then select execute. Now select the language and click on, I am going to select English, then click on next. Then keyboard layout, select the language, and click on next. And see here variant, if you want to select, you can select from this list also. Okay, then click on next. Then connect to the internet. So see here we have the two options: use wired connection or do not connect to the internet. I want to connect, so it is up to you. Click on next. Then type of installation. See here we have two: interactive installation and automated installation. I am going with interactive installation. Then click on next. And see here applications, Xubuntu minimal or Xubuntu desktop. I am going with Xubuntu desktop. This is a full featured Xubuntu desktop. Then click on next. Now see here install recommended proprietary software. See here we have two options: install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware, download and install for additional software and additional media formats. I don't want either of them. Then click on next. See, this is the, next disk setup. See, this is the fresh installation. So I'm going to select erase disk and install. Then click on next. Now we have to create our setup user. I'm giving user name as R2schools, and this will be the computer name. Later also you can change it. And this is the username. Then provide the password for this user. Then click on next. See, this is the time zone. You can select on the globe and click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, then click on back and you can edit. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, Xubuntu 24.04.3 LTS is installed and ready to use. So click on restart now. Now provide the, hit enter. So now click on this menu. Then see here we have the terminal emulator. If you are unable to find, just search here for terminal. See here we have the XFCE terminal or terminal emulator. Open either of them. Then see here, first increase the font size, go to edit. Then select preferences. Then go to appearance. Then click on this system font, increase it. Click on select. See, in the back side font size has been increased. Then close this one. Now verify the version that you have installed. More / etc OS-V. See, you have installed 24.04.3 LTS. Control A. Now verify the IP of this machine. ifconfig. See, ifconfig not found. Okay. So for that we have to install this nettools. We will install that later. Now we can also get the IP by running ip-addr. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay. Now install nettools. Sudo apt install net-tools. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now run ifconfig. See, you got the IP address. Okay. Control A. Now next step is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update && sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. We have successfully updated. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Xubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version on VMware Workstation. Okay. For more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.